Coffee farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained with proper training. Coffee is among the most popular drinks throughout the world. Coffee farming is a profitable business due to high demand and high prices in the market. Coffee is a type of drink made from the seeds of the coffee plant. These seeds are dried, roasted, ground, and mixed with water to make coffee. Coffee originated in Ethiopia, Africa. The benefits of coffee are that it increases attention and alertness, but excessive consumption can cause insomnia, anxiety, and digestive problems. Once a coffee orchard is established, it can produce coffee beans for up to 55 to 60 years. And it is also a great way to make good profits for a long time. So, it can be a great employment source for people, especially for unemployed people. Profitable business is coffee production. You can start small scale by utilizing your family labor. Dear viewers, today we will learn how to cultivate coffee. We will discuss all the aspects of coffee farming step by step. Coffee plants generally grow well at temperatures of 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. Too cold or too hot is not suitable. Coffee plants do not like direct sunlight, so a shady environment is good. Light loam or loamy soil is best for coffee cultivation. Coffee plants grow well if the soil pH is 6.0 to 6.5. Water should not stagnate in the soil. If water stagnates, the roots of the plant rot. The soil should have a high content of organic matter, such as compost, cow dung fertilizer, etc. Ripe, reddish fruits should be collected from healthy and good varieties of trees, and seeds should be extracted. To make seedlings, seeds are sown in polythene bags with a mixture of organic fertilizer and soil. In about 4 to 6 months, the seedlings become suitable for planting. Before planting seedlings, you must prepare the land very well by giving 4 to 5 plowing and harrowing to bring the soil to the fine tilth stage. Try to add as much organic content as you can while preparing the land. Generally, 2m×3m spacing is followed for coffee Arabica, and 3m×3m is followed for coffee Robusta. It is better to plant the seedlings in the morning or afternoon. While planting the seedlings, the polythene bag should be carefully removed so that the roots do not break. Water should be given immediately after planting. After planting, weeds should be cleaned regularly. Mulching should be done to retain the sap in the soil, and if the tree is weak, a little NPK fertilizer or organic tonic should be applied. Coffee fruit borers, leaf diseases, root rot, etc. can cause problems. Regular monitoring and, if necessary, the use of organic or pest control drugs are required. The tree bears fruit 3 to 4 years after planting. After the fruit ripens, it turns reddish and is then collected by hand. After collection, it is dried, the seeds are extracted and processed.